Hello everyone, welcome again. Let us discuss a very important topic, internship for youth employability. Due to the limitations of the university curriculum today, academics is limited to knowledge acquisition rather than skill acquisition. Therefore, doing internship during your studies is becoming a very important. Today, let us explore why internships are very important in your career. Firstly, it contributes to skill development. Working in an organization will help you understand what all are the skills required for doing a particular job. Secondly, it gives a lot of networking opportunities. You will be able to discuss with important personalities in the field so that you can improve your connections and networking. Thirdly, it boosts your employability. Nowadays, organizations are looking for candidates who have at least some kind of an internship experience while doing their studies. Thanks for the central government for allocating as high as 19,000 crore rupees in the Union Budget 2024. The government is planning to offer 30 lakhs students the internship opportunities in the coming 2 years. Thanks to our Finance Minister, Prime Minister and all the Chief Ministers of different states for supporting this initiative. This is expected to bridge the gap between the academia and industry and will help many of our youth in getting placement. So if you are a student, I highly recommend you to utilize this opportunity. To all the employers out there, I appeal to provide these opportunities utilizing the initiatives by the central and state governments. Together, let us provide all those essential skills, knowledge and experience to our youngsters so that they can be the leaders of our country tomorrow. Thank you so much. Hope this video was useful. Please share your comments.